Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and it's been raining, and the sun came out, and it's shining just for my flight today. And we got a light breeze coming out of the west, which is lined up perfect for the main runway here. So I thought I'd bring the 90mm Viper out here and have a little bit of fun. We'll take off into the wind, and then we'll fly over the back parking lot here. And we're just gonna have some fun. I got the Spectrum 4000 6S in there, so I'm not gonna push it too hard. I got my timer set to 4 minutes, which I think is gonna be probably just about the max for this battery, and that's why I'm not gonna push hard. All right, guys, let's get this thing in the air and see what it can do. So the reason we're gonna fly over the back lot is because the sun is over there. So we'll take off that way, but we'll get it turned around really quick. We'll go one click on the flaps to help it get in the air fast. We'll take off and we'll bank left and bring it around. Putting the flaps up and the gear up. And with the 4000 in there, it is kind of light. So it will want to climb. I definitely have it trimmed for a 5000. I do have the 4000 as far forward as I can get it in the battery tray. Pushing forward on that elevator to try and keep it moving, not climbing too much. Like I said, I just want to have some fun today, just cruise around. It's been a little while since I've had this out. About half throttle, and it's just easing around. We get it back here, we'll do a big loop. Nice. Nice and easy. That's how we want to see it. The wind picking up. Kind of coming from the church there for a second, I think. You guys will notice that I keep getting on the throttle when I'm turning because of the one accident that I've had with this. It was definitely with a 7000 milliamp hour battery, which is much heavier, and I had it probably way too far forward, causing the CG to be way up in the nose, and I got it slow and the nose dropped really hard. I think I'm safe with the 4000 in there. My biggest fear now is flying it too long and running the battery too low. Ooh, giving a lot of down here. It stayed up there pretty decent after I made the corner. It was the turn it didn't like, doing it inverted. Probably has something to do with the way I got it trimmed. So this next pass we'll do a gear check. My radio just gave me the timer warning. So gear coming down. And I see them all. So after I get it lined up down here, we'll go into the flaps. And now, getting off the throttle, letting it slow down some. Oh, well, that was ugly. Let's try that again. So I'm one click on the flaps for that takeoff. And I think that's what I usually do for my landing anyways, so let's stay there. I'm completely off the throttle now. And we're just gonna let it ease down, much nicer. Oh. It did not stop. I didn't see it, but I think there's a parking block it hit. Well, can't always have it good. Guys, that was a fun flight. We'll have to check out to see if there's any damage, but I don't think so. And, but what a, it was raining, the sky was dark, and, the sun came out just as I was getting ready to fly. I can't be much more happy about that. Big thanks to the Lord for that. And guys, I appreciate all your support. And I am getting much better. I'm still struggling to get good sleep, but I think by the end of the weekend I should be feeling much better, and we might even be able to do live this next week. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.